Hello, it's Mallory, product expert at Binding101, and today we will walk you through how to make a tape-bound or strip-bound book with the Fastbind Elite Hot Melt Binding Machine. To do this, you will need the Fastbind Elite, Fastbind's lay-flat binding strips, your printed book block pages, a piece of scrap paper, and EVA binding glue. Check out the links in the description for more information on these items. First, place your glue into the tank and allow it to melt. This typically takes between 7 to 10 minutes. Now fold your scrap paper and place it into the turning station. Fold your binding strip and lay it down on top. Then add your book block on top of that and align it to your tape. Press the clamping bar against the stack, lifting the handle to lock it in place. Rotate the station back to expose the spine and crease along the edge. Pull the rougher on the left to micro-slit into the spine of the book. Now pull the gluer on the right over your book and back. Rotate the station toward you and press the handle all the way down firmly. Release the handle and clamping bar to remove your book, discarding the scrap paper. Lay your book flat, lift up the tape, and peel the adhesive liner, pressing the tape onto your cover in the process. Flip your book and do the same thing to the other side. And that's it, your tape-bound book is complete. The Fastbind lay-flat tape strips allow for more flexibility so you can open your book all the way on the table and it will remain open if the pages are heavy enough. This makes them popular for both thin and thick documents as strips come in widths from 9/16 of an inch up to 1.5 inches. The Fastbind Elite can also be used to make hardcover books, softcover perfect bound books, and tear-off notepads. Visit Binding101.com or call the number on your screen for more information.